How to make your Android phone aesthetic. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone aesthetic easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search here for aesthetic theme, and then click search and choose one of these. For example, let's choose I'm going to choose this one. It's called aesthetic theme. Click on it like this, and as you can see, if you download it, you can have your phone like this. Everything is gonna be changed from keyboard, the icons, and the phone itself. You can also download this one. It's called icon changer. It's gonna be changing all your icons like this. And there is the third one, and it's called snapkit. It change the icons and the theme together. So this one is the best one that I recommend because it's so good and you have many themes to choose between. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.